Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Join me as I take on the challenge of buying a Shanghai apartment and completely ripping it apart to create my dream space.
好，开关大机。
If this is the first time on my channel, this is Kel's one in China. This is a channel I talk about daily life in China from the perspective of a foreigner. I talk about how foreigners can navigate their ways in China, from my experience. If you like the video and wants more, click the subscribe button. Also give a thumbs up, comment, and share the video. Now, let's get to the business of the day. I've always liked Shanghai's unique blend of traditional and modern architecture, and I just can't get enough of its vibrant energy. The city's eclectic mix of old and new is what inspired me to embark on this renovation journey. I've always dreamed of owning a space that truly reflects my personality, and what better place to do it than in one of the world's most fascinating cities. Finding the right apartment in Shanghai has been a challenge. I've been working with a tight budget, and it's been tough to find a place that fits my needs. Location is also a major concern. I want to be close to the action, but not too close to the hustle and bustle. And then there are the renovation regulations to consider. I've had to do my research and work with the team to ensure that my vision is feasible, as I started searching for the perfect apartment. I knew I had to think about what I wanted to achieve with the renovation. I envisioned a modern space with sleek lines, industrial chic touches, and plenty of natural light. I've been scouring the city for inspiration, taking note of the little details that make each neighborhood unique. My initial sketches are just rough ideas, but I'm excited to see them come to life. I've finally found an apartment in a neighborhood with tons of character. The bones of the place are solid, but it's going to take some serious work to bring it up to date. I'm envisioning a bright, airy living room with floor-to-ceiling windows, a sleek kitchen with high-end appliances, and a bathroom that's pure zen. As I walked through the apartment for the first time, I could see the potential it's going to be. A blank canvas just begging for a makeover. The moment of truth arrived, and I finally made an offer on the apartment. When it was accepted, I felt a rush of excitement mixed with a healthy dose of nerves. I'm about to tear this place apart and create something entirely new.
No plywood, no board. Okay?
The thought of demo day is both thrilling and terrifying. What if I discover some hidden structural issue? What if the renovation goes over budget? If you've got your own renovation projects or ideas, I want to hear about them. Drop a comment below and let's chat. And if you're curious about the progress of my Shanghai apartment project, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell for updates. I'm excited to share this journey with you, and I'm grateful for your support every step of the way.